Is this what your speed bump looks like? Has the color contrast all but gone? Does it dislodge and rip up when vehicles go over it? We have a better solution. Introducing the Seton Speed Bump, the speed bump that's designed to last. Our innovative rail ground fixing system is the only one of its kind, improving lateral drag resistance and increasing crush resistance. You will finally have a speed bump you can rely on. Its super strength and durability are also due to its design. Unlike other products, our interlocking sections are held together with chevron-shaped locking tabs. This combination of rail fitting and connection design gives this speed bump super strength, not currently available in other speed bumps. This increases the lifetime of the product, which ultimately saves you money. Our full-color PVC material comes with a lifetime color contrast guarantee, and in conjunction with the fitted reflectors, the speed bump will remain highly visible in all light conditions. Unlike most other fixed speed bumps, cable and hoses can be run throughout the complete length of the speed bump. Installation is quick and easy too. Full instructions are provided, along with links to an online video showing you each stage of the process. We know that ordering speed bumps can be difficult, so we've made it easy by creating specially prepared kits. As long as you know the required length of speed bump, what the ground surface is, concrete or asphalt, and what speed you want to reduce vehicles to, we have the kit ready for you. The kits are supplied with everything you need. The Seton Speed Bump is super strong and durable, comes with a color contrast lifetime guarantee, and is quick and easy to install. The speed bump that's designed to last.